So the Granite Club, that's pretty elite. So he must have had some connections to help him get a job there, or did somebody, do you know?
Somebody know him
helped
from the RCYC.
All right.
Yes, you see, but once you're a good chef, all the clubs, hey, where do you get this chef? When you get this and that? You know, in the
Right.
olden days, you get a chef, good one,
Yeah,
and speaks English,
Yeah.
it's very difficult,
yeah,
you see. So my father gets, matter of fact, he said to me, and I said, oh, I used to hire a lot of Chinese people because none of them are speaking English. See, when no matter where you come from, you come to Vancouver, you always go to Chinatown. So you have no place to go because you don't speak English.
right.
And then you go to some other provinces, like you build a railroad and they say, agent, I take you all, you want, okay, take a look at your size, and okay, you're going to build a railroad. You do this, you do that. They give you the time of the day to do this.
Right.
So anyway, so my father happened to be lucky. He never worked on the railroad. So he always had a good job, you know.
Mm.
So
Did he like cooking? Did he enjoy it?
I'll tell you,
Yeah.
not that you like it or you don't like it, you have no choice.
Oh,
I'll show you how many jobs that you're gonna have, okay?
okay.
Okay, you work in a restaurant, grocery store, laundry restaurant, laundry, and then house cook.